To start the bot, you need to purchase a bot performance license. Using the menu on the left, go to the Bot Performance Licenses section. The licenses differ in price and performance level. In this guide, we will demonstrate the purchase process. Select the package that suits you, taking into account that higher performance usually provides greater potential results. Click Purchase. Select any of the available payment methods. Review the documents. Click Accept All, and then click Buy. We will demonstrate the process using the USDTTRC20 payment method as an example. A payment window with a QR code will open. Transfer the exact specified amount to the provided address, either manually or by scanning the QR code in your mobile wallet. If the payment is successful, the following message will appear. Done. You have successfully paid for the license.